I'm going to try and do this, the intermediate algebra practice test. The solutions for this, I'm going to try and do this in just 2 videos. I'm going to go through it kind of quickly. If I'm going through the problem too fast, just rewind and look through it again. You can slow it down or pause at any time. But I'm going to go through the answers and point out the differences. In number 1 and number 2, in number 1, the negative's on the outside, so you square the 10 and make it negative, so the answer is negative 100. On number 2, the negative's inside the parentheses, so negative 10 is squared. Negative times the negative is positive, so that one becomes positive 100. On number 3, you're following the order of operations. You have to go through and do inside the parentheses first. So the 4 plus 1 and the 9 minus 3. So the next step will look like 10 minus the brackets of 5 plus 6, and then in parentheses 9 minus 3 is 6. In brackets as you go through 10 minus, the next part is the multiplication inside the large brackets. So 10 minus 5, I don't need those parentheses anymore. 6 times 6 is 36, so 5 plus 36. I'm writing out every little step. So here we go. 10 minus 5 plus 36 is 41. Okay. 10 minus 31 ends up being negative 31. Alright, so that's number 3. Apparently there's no number 4, so number 5. X equals 4 and y equals negative 7. So you have to put negative 10 times 4 plus 6 times negative 7. Negative 10 times 4 is negative 40. Plus 6 times negative 7 is negative 42. Negative 40 plus negative 42 is negative 82. Okay. I'm going to switch colors to make it easier to see which one's which. For number 6, x is still 4 and y is negative 7. There's no x, so it's just negative 3 times y squared, and y is negative 7 squared. Order of operations, we do the exponents first. So negative 3, negative 7 squared. Negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49. Okay. And then negative 3 times 49. Positive times a negative makes it negative. And that'll be 147. Okay, now, down to number 7. Go back to my blue. Simplify each expression. Here, all we have is a negative out front of the parentheses. So that means we have to distribute the negative, or make everything the opposite. So negative, or the opposite of 5x is negative 5x. The opposite of minus 4 is plus 4. Okay. On number 8, here we are looking for like terms. The 3a and the 11a are like terms. Same variable and exponents match up exactly, so we can add those together. 3a plus 11a is 14a. The 5b minus 2a, they don't match up exactly with anything, so it's plus 5b and minus 2ab at the end of the problem. So that's all you can do for number 8. Number 9, be careful. You need to distribute this negative 7 into the 3x and into the 5. So we have 9x. Negative 7x times 3x is negative 21x. Negative 7 times negative 5, negative times negative is positive. Positive 35. Alright, now all we have left is to simplify by combining like terms. 9 minus 21 is negative 12, so we have negative 12x plus 35. Alright, and that's your simplified version of that expression. Okay, I'm going to make a separate video for the rest of the problems. I hope this helps. Test this tomorrow.